Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Investors Lounge. We will show you how to sign up at Investors Lounge. First, go to investorslounge.com and click on the sign up button. Enter your first name, last name, email address and create a password. Make sure to use a Pakistani phone number. Next, enter the coupon code KPSIAJ 23 and click on apply coupon. Once applied, click on the sign up button. After you submit the sign up form, you will receive an OTP on the email address you provided. Enter this OTP on the screen to verify your email address. Next, you will receive another OTP on your phone number. Enter this OTP on the screen to complete the registration process. If you have any questions or concerns during the registration process, don't hesitate to contact our customer support team. You can reach us through WhatsApp and our team of experts will be happy to assist you. Once you have completed the registration process, you will be taken to your personal dashboard. Now that you are on your dashboard, you can access the league page by clicking on the left hand side of the screen. And then you have to click on the practice page. Once you click on the practice page, you will see a list of available leagues that you can participate in. Scroll down the list of league. Click on the upcoming league. Here is your KPSIAJ Trading League 1.0. You have to click on the view detail. And then you have to click on the register button. Your request will be approved by the Khoja management. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for the Khoja Trading League 1.0 on Investors Lounge. Thank you.